and welcome to the Nom Nom Family channel. On hot days like this, we always go for meals with minimal cooking and more time eating. Today's recipe is super simple. I start with preparing all my condiments and put them aside. I then move on to chop some green onion, add a little salt and oil, cover and put in the microwave for 30 seconds. As for the dipping sauce, start with adding some tamarind in the bowl, then add boiling water, stir and strain. Next, add sugar, fish sauce, and water. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Then add minced red chili pepper. Here you can add as much as you can handle. You can also add some minced garlic. Next, I boil hot water to cook my vermicelli. Be sure to refer to instructions on the package. I usually just cook until it's nice and chewy. For the protein, I'm using a whole salmon stuffed with a few slices of lemon and onion, then wrapped in banana leaves. No marinade needed as all the flavors lie in the dipping sauce. You can bake it in the oven like I did or toss it on the barbecue for that extra smokiness. I baked mine at 425 Fahrenheit for 35 minutes, but the time may vary depending on your oven and how you like your salmon. I personally love a little bit of char, so I moved the rack up for at the last 8 minutes. To serve the grilled fish, we add fresh herbs, greens, and vermicelli, wrap it all in rice paper, and dip it into the sauce. This is one of our family go-to summer meals. It is light, fresh, and full of flavor. I will list all the ingredients in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video gives a little inspiration for your family's next meal. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.